met this little troublemaker at the Park City Math Institute. If you haven't heard about it, Google it, PCMI. It's a great 3-week summer intensive experience for teaching and learning. Park City Math Institute, check it out. And so I met this troublemaker back at the Park City Math Institute. Bundle of joy, lots of fun, and an amazing, wonderful math teacher in the Los Angeles area. Yay, and part of MFA LA as well, as a lot of people here are. He works and teaches with his best friend and life partner, Liam Tram. They're not really, they're both married. I give him a hard time. All right, and so here is his 2 truths and a lie. Number 1, I got a 1 on the AP Calculus exam in high school. Number 2, I still don't know a thing about calculus. And number 3, I consider myself a mathematician. Let's see which one it is. Here you go, Nate.
Alright, so I'm here to share with you guys. I'm trying to develop something called authentic mathematical experiences. And I know what you're thinking, how's he going to do that? He sucks at calculus. Well, I'm going to try to do this in 5 minutes. I'm going to start by just telling you right now that a lot of times textbooks don't really do it for me. I don't feel they're providing the kind of experience I'm looking for. Like this set of problems that you can't see very well, it doesn't look very enticing from afar, I'll tell you that right now. And we look closer at some of them, we're going to find flaws, right? Like this one is about the Grand Canyon, which excites me. Like, I love the Grand Canyon. But every other problem in the book has been using -16, so I don't know where that -12 came from. Right? But the thing that I really don't like is that the Grand Canyon is nothing but ridges and ground below of different sizes. That's all it is. And I'm supposed to, in part B, figure out how many seconds it will take the penny to hit the ground below when it starts from the ridge. I can't do that. And I'm not even really sure if this is even geometry. So like, this isn't going to be productive struggle. This is just going to be struggle, right? I also don't like the kind of cheesy math worksheets that we can find online and give to our students, right? You guys all know the ones that I'm talking about. But to me, these kind of worksheets just reinforce the idea that math is just a collection of different types of problems that we need to learn steps to solve. But math isn't IKEA furniture. Like, IKEA knows we can follow steps. They'll send us home with furniture that is like in 200 pieces. They know we're going to be able to do it because it's mindless. So I hate when kids tell me, I need steps to, I like it better when there's steps to follow to answer the problem. Of course you do. Like, that's super easy. That could be a whole lesson, but it doesn't move the needle at all. Okay? And kids aren't thinking, and they're not making sense there. Okay? Other people have been saying this. So I like this vision of math better. This is from Tracy Zager. It's a collection of words that mathematicians use when they talk about mathematics. I highlighted some of my favorite words there that personally resonated with me. And then I'm thinking about some of the words that I don't see. Like, for example, problem sets, worksheets, procedures, algorithms, step-by-steps, whatever that means, right? Even practice, calculate is not up there. I love this image. It really goes a long way in jiving what I think about mathematics. It actually makes me feel like a mathematician, which is like a really important realization that I've had, and I hope you guys have had as well. We are mathematicians. We're the most significant and influential mathematicians that our students come in contact with. And with that comes a great deal of responsibility for us to share that with them. So I'm going to say an authentic mathematics experience is a lesson, activity, or task that provides students with an opportunity to interact with mathematics in a way that a mathematician would enjoy. Okay, but remember, we're mathematicians, right? So, like, we can do this. So how do we do it? That's the question now. Well, I went to TMC this summer and Christopher Danielson did an awesome keynote. My mouth is so dry, it's like crazy. and the main quote in that keynote was, find what you love and do more of that. So my edit is important. Find what you love about the math content you teach and do more of that with your students. Like, to me, that's the key to creating these authentic mathematics experiences. So Brian was talking about PCMI. There's me, life partner Liv. Brian was there. And when I went to PCMI for 3 weeks straight in the morning, all we did was math problems with other math teachers. And it was super cool and it was super eye-opening. And I felt like every day, people that were writing the problems, which is Daryl Young and Bowen Curran, were taking me on this like really cool mathematical adventure. Like, they had these cool discoveries, and they were taking me on this journey with them to come to those discoveries. And it was like so much fun. It felt really, really authentic. So when I got back to school, I started trying to do the same thing with my students. Find my own little adventures within the algebra curriculum that I was teaching, and then share those with my students and see what happened. And then what happened was, like, the questions started getting out of hand. Like, I love this image of Michael Jordan, like, he looks so high up in the air, but I really want to know, is, like, can he jump higher than Mario? But the reason why I want to know that is there's something more important. Can Mario jump from the free throw line? Can Michael Jordan clear that infamous gap and level 8? So now I have to think, I need to look for evidence in Super Mario so I can calculate the acceleration due to gravity in Super Mario World. Like, that's cool, that sounds fun. So I'm going to use some estimation. Stadell's right here, he's filming me, it's awesome. And so, like, and so I'm going to use, okay, I'm almost out of time. Here's the thing, my kids love it. They like the adventures too. They like the math I like. Wow, what do you know? Look at this kid. She said, I love the KD task. That was the task, that was the one, she said, that lit up my brain. Like, you don't just make that stuff up. Like, that really happened for her. That's amazing, right? And there's a last slide, and I don't know why it's here. It's like a really important slide right after. Oh yeah, there it is right there. So the thing I was going to do this, is this okay? Here's the thing. This is not a new idea. People have been sharing experiences like this, or people have been doing experiences like this forever. But what is new is how easy it is to share them. It's called Twitter. Okay, you can use #AME to share the experiences that you love, the adventures that you love about mathematics. And together we can figure out how to share them with our students. Thank you very much.
Okay, so, all right, so truth and lie, which is it?
Okay, the lie was, oh, I still don't know anything about calculus. Yeah, I teach calculus now, and I'm getting decent at it. So.